I'm watching Simba again, but they asked me to watch their turtle. I thought it was a little tiny one. They brought him in a little tiny tank, so I got a bigger tank to put him in so that he would have room to swim. Plus I gave him a place that he could get out of the water. That's why I couldn't fill the water too high. Look how big this turtle is. I think Crawly really likes having a bigger area to swim in. And Simba taking a nap. The only problem was it was getting cold out and it was too cold for the babies to be outside. And I couldn't find the mother anymore. So I brought them back in.